That heartbreaking footage is a reminder of how dangerous Hurricane Dorian was and still could be.
Storm Team 3 meteorologist Kyle Dennis is in the Weather Center right now with the potential impacts we could see here at home as the day goes on. Kyle, good morning to you.
Good morning. 24 hours ago, that storm was still sitting just to the north of Grand Bahama Island, and it was weakening. And I think a lot of people were starting to get relieved, but actually a weaker storm is more likely to hug the coast than a stronger storm, which would more easily stay off the coast. But you know, those winds start to weaken a little bit more on the west side. Not that they're weak, but weaker than they were, and so that kind of pulls the storm a little bit closer in. So it is taking a track very close to the coast right now. So far, it's not that unsimilar to Matthew in that it's riding north and staying off the coast of Florida and not making a Florida landfall. Doesn't necessarily mean it will come quite as close as that, but we can't rule that out. Right now, the center is about 90 miles east of Daytona Beach. The outer rain bands are, for the most part, offshore. Now, you may get some brief downpours here over the next hour or two with just a couple of little tiny showers popping up. They may be tiny, but it's possible they could be quite intense. But the heavy outer rain bands, the main one now, the more significant one, is still off our coast but approaching quickly. In fact, McIntosh County, you may be seeing this moving in very shortly, and we are seeing lightning now popping up. We are going to have to watch very closely because I do think if there's going to be a tornado threat this morning, it will come in some of these outer rain bands. We're not seeing a rotation right now, but that could change very quickly, so we're going to have to watch closely. Category 2 storm right now, 105-mile-per-hour winds moving to the north-northwest still. It has not started that northeast turn, so it's still mainly moving north, but still gradually drifting west as well, and that will bring the storm fairly close to us by late tonight and early tomorrow morning. So we're going to see these outer rain bands moving in this morning, and the rain may not end until the middle of the day tomorrow or even into the afternoon tomorrow. So this is going to be a long duration event. Heavy rain, there will be significant tropical storm force wind, perhaps some hurricane force gusts, especially along the coast, and there will also be 3 to 5 foot storm surge each of the next several high tides. We're going to have to watch very closely. And the storm surge, the severe beach erosion, the property damage potentially along the coast could be one of our most serious impacts from this storm. We'll have much more coming up in just a few minutes.